In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. Synced blocks are a powerful feature within Notion that allow you to maintain consistent content across multiple locations in your workspace. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing content, synced blocks help ensure that the information stays up to date, no matter where it's accessed. Let's dive into the process. To begin using synced blocks, the first step is to type the command synced block into your Notion page. This action will prompt a list of options, from which you will select Synced Block. A placeholder for the synced block will appear on your page, ready for you to add your content. You can think of this space as a container where you can input any information you wish to sync across various parts of your Notion workspaces, be it text, images, or even other blocks. As you add content, keep in mind that this area will be pivotal for maintaining uniformity across your documents. Once you've added your initial content, the synced block functions just like any other block in Notion. Still, its true power lies in being able to copy and paste it elsewhere to create synced copies. To do this, simply highlight your synced block with your cursor, right-click to copy it, then navigate to any other location in your workspace, or even a completely different page, where you want the synced content to appear. After you've arrived at your desired location, paste the block. You'll notice something special. You now have a synced copy of your original block. These copies are linked together, meaning changes made to the content within one instance of the synced block will instantly update in every other location where you've pasted it, ensuring continuity and eliminating the hassle of manual updates. This feature is particularly useful for pieces of information that are reused across pages, such as company contact details, project goals, or team reference documents. However, it's crucial to remember that because of this linking, any change you make will reflect everywhere. So be mindful of what you place in synced blocks, keeping in mind the impact across your workspace. Another tip when working with synced blocks is to track and manage them effectively. You can add comments or color code them to easily identify synced content versus standalone blocks, which adds another layer of organization and clarity in a busy workspace. In conclusion, synced blocks are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow in Notion by ensuring that critical information is consistent and uniform across multiple locations. Hopefully, these steps make incorporating synced blocks into your Notion routine a seamless experience. Try it today and bring a new level of efficiency to how you manage information in Notion. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to check out the other content for more ways to optimize your Notion use.